everyone, and welcome to the 2025 ANYbotics Industry Forum.
Yeah, it is a great event. I am amazed with the quality of the presentations and the discussions here.
Very good, very good. There's a positive vibe here around solving problems because we know with sensor equipment and for sure now with the mobile sensor equipment, there's thousands of reasons why not to do it. And we can wait until we solve them. And here at this forum, I really feel that we are with people thinking about how to solve those problems so that we can take the value out of it.
I should say that the whole event in general is an inspiration source. For example, what we see now is that we see a lot of different sectors represented in the event, which is new, which is really a new dimension of the market, and I really enjoy that.
I think the road towards robotic, it's challenging but important, and especially within, as I said, the ATEX dimension, having the opportunity to put robotics into oil and gas facilities, it's a huge step forward.
It was a great pleasure. So I was fascinated about the style. So it was an open culture. Maybe the first time I've met it like this. So it was really, you could talk to each and everybody, to ANYbotics experts, to customers of ANYbotics, to cooperation partners. So that was really energetic, really a nice event so far, so great.